very important point, sir. Can I continue?
Sir, shoot us. So what sentence has been awarded to Sajjan Kumar in Sikh?
Today, Sajjan Kumar has been awarded 2 life imprisonments by the court. Now, one is in the case of 302, that's the murder. The other is for under section 436, which is burning and looting of the houses. Now, the court in the judgment has mentioned that the demand of the victims and the government to give him death sentence cannot be given because the report from the jail says that he has attained the age of 80 years and he is suffering from multiple ailments and he cannot even look after himself. He needs help even to go to the washroom. No, so and the judge says that under these circumstances death sentence cannot be given. So the next maximum sentence, which is of life imprisonment, that has been given to him in 2 different offences, 2 life imprisonments. And now he is already undergoing life imprisonment since 2018 in a different case. Now with 2, now Sajjan Kumar today is undergoing 3 life imprisonments and he'll have to spend the rest of his life in whatever state he is in jail.
Ma'am, what ailment he is suffering from, sir?
As per the report from mentioned in the judgment, he has Parkinson, he has spondylitis, and he has DNS, IMSC in the eye, hypertension, and this is hyponatremia and Parkinson, this synovial dizziness, and so these are the diseases which he is suffering from. Now, if the wife and daughter of the deceased Jaswant Singh instruct us to file an appeal in the High Court for the enhancement of this life imprisonment to death sentence, we will do it.